Welcome to Techmirror, the top 5 best Ninja blenders of 2025 that will take your blending game to the next level. From smoothies and soups to frozen treats and nut butters, these powerful machines can handle it all with ease. Stay tuned to find out which model is perfect for your kitchen. Check the links in the description for more details and best deals. Number 5. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a versatile and efficient kitchen companion designed to simplify your blending routine. Featuring a powerful 700-watt motor, this compact appliance easily crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and extracts nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. With its pulse technology, it ensures consistent and smooth blending results every time, making it ideal for smoothies, milkshakes, and nutrient-packed drinks. Its space-saving design allows it to fit comfortably on any kitchen countertop, while the intuitive controls make it effortless to operate. The Ninja Fit comes with two 16-ounce single-serve cups and spout lids, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Simply blend directly in the cup, attach the lid, and take your drink anywhere with ease. This thoughtful design caters perfectly to busy lifestyles and fitness enthusiasts. Cleaning is equally simple since all detachable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring both safety and convenience. The set also includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide that helps you explore a variety of delicious creations, from smoothies and protein shakes to sauces and frozen beverages. Built for durability and everyday performance, this lightweight blender is both powerful and user-friendly. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, portable, and efficient appliance without taking up much space. With its strong performance, easy maintenance, and practical accessories, it proves to be a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Number 4. The Ninja Nutri Pro Single-Serve Blender BN401 is an exceptional appliance that combines power, versatility, and convenience in one sleek design. Featuring a 1000 peak watt motor, this compact blender effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and vegetables into smooth, creamy blends within seconds. It is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks, providing a professional blending experience from the comfort of your home. Equipped with 2 Auto IQ preset programs, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending. With a single touch, you can create perfectly timed results for smoothies or crushed ice. The Pro Extractor blades are engineered to unlock hidden nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables, blending even the portions that are often discarded, ensuring every drink is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Designed for convenience, the Ninja Nutri Pro allows you to blend directly into the 24-ounce cups, attach the spout lids, and take your drink wherever you go. Its compact size fits neatly on any countertop, and the setup is quick and effortless. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple and stress-free. Additionally, the blender includes a 20-recipe inspiration guide to help you explore new and delicious creations. With its powerful performance, durable design, and user-friendly controls, the Ninja Nutri Pro Single-Serve Blender BN401 is ideal for anyone who values speed, nutrition, and convenience in their daily routine. It is truly a must-have appliance for modern, health-conscious kitchens. Number 3. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is a powerhouse appliance built to deliver exceptional blending performance for every kitchen. Equipped with a 1,400-watt motor, it provides remarkable power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and create smooth, creamy textures effortlessly. Its modern design and robust motor make it a significant upgrade from earlier Ninja models, combining strength and style for everyday use. This blender features 3 Auto IQ preset programs that make blending simple and efficient. With a single touch, you can prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream without any guesswork. The Auto IQ technology intelligently combines timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, ensuring consistent results every time. The total crushing blades are engineered to pulverize ice into snow within seconds, giving your beverages a professional-grade texture. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher makes it ideal for families or entertaining guests, allowing you to blend large batches with ease. Its stainless steel and BPA-free materials ensure durability and safety, while the parts are dishwasher-safe for quick and effortless cleanup. The sturdy lid fits securely to prevent leaks, and the design allows for easy handling despite its strong performance. Additionally, the included 15-recipe inspiration guide helps you explore new and creative blending ideas. Whether you are preparing smoothies, frozen desserts, or sauces, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender offers precision, power, and reliability. It is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a high-performance blender that simplifies and enhances everyday kitchen tasks. Number 2. The Ninja BlendBOSS Personal Smoothie Blender and Tumbler. DB301CYBRN is a powerful, stylish, and compact blending solution designed for those who value convenience and performance. With an impressive 1,200-watt motor, it easily crushes ice, fruits, and vegetables to create smooth, creamy, and nutrient-rich beverages. Whether you are preparing a morning smoothie, protein shake, or frozen treat, this blender delivers consistent results every time with minimal effort. Its 3 Auto IQ preset programs simplify blending through intelligent pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. The presets include Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Blend modes, each designed to achieve the perfect texture without manual control. The stainless steel crush blade assembly is crafted to handle tough ingredients, ensuring even blending for dips, soups, and purees in addition to drinks. The 26-ounce travel tumbler made from durable and BPA-free materials comes with a leak-proof flip cap and an integrated chug spout for convenient on-the-go hydration. Its cup holder-friendly design and comfortable handle make it ideal for travel, gym, or office use. The lid locks securely, preventing spills, even when tossed into a bag. Compact yet powerful, the Ninja BlendBOSS fits perfectly on any countertop and features a modern cyberspace finish that adds a sleek aesthetic to your kitchen. All parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup. With its durable construction, smart design, and outstanding performance, the Ninja BlendBOSS Personal Smoothie Blender is a dependable and stylish choice for those seeking fast, efficient, and portable blending convenience. Number 1. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. Foodie Power Blender System SS401 is a versatile and high-performance kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of a professional blender and a food processor. Featuring a powerful 1,600 peak watt motor with Smart Torque technology, it powers through frozen fruits, vegetables, nuts, and ice without stalling, providing smooth and consistent results every time. This makes it ideal for preparing smoothies, shakes, spreads, smoothie bowls, and a variety of food preparations. Designed for maximum flexibility, the system includes 7 preset Auto IQ programs for one-touch blending, extraction, bowls, spreads, chopping, and food processing. The hybrid edge blade assembly ensures thorough breakdown of ingredients, including frozen whole fruits and vegetables, seeds, and nuts, delivering velvety textures for drinks and meals. Additionally, the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper allows you to create thick, creamy bowls with minimal liquid, while the Nutrient Extraction Cup ensures optimal vitamin and mineral retention from whole fruits and vegetables. The included enhanced processing lid, feed chute, and select cut discs provide precise slicing, shredding, and grating, making food preparation effortless. Variable speed control allows customization of texture for recipes such as protein shakes, purees, and sauces. All parts, including containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies, are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup and long-lasting durability. With its spacious 72-ounce pitcher, to-go cups, and a 20-recipe inspiration guide, the Ninja Foodie Power Blender System SS401 is perfect for families and health-conscious individuals. Combining power, precision, and convenience, it is an essential appliance for anyone seeking a versatile and reliable kitchen companion. Thank you for watching our roundup of the 5 best Ninja blenders of 2025. These blenders combine power, versatility, and convenience to make your smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks effortlessly. Whether you need a compact personal blender or a professional-grade system, there is a model for everyone. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and full details. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top product reviews.